Hi, it's Dave Dickinson with Bankers Compliance Consulting, and I want to talk about HMDA and refinancings versus modifications and renewals. First off, the definition of refinancing is a legal, contractual issue. Are you satisfying, replacing, extinguishing loan A with loan B? That's the first criteria. Number two, for HMDA, both the old loan and the new loan have to be dwelling secured. And then third, both the old and the new have to have a common borrower between them. Where you see this most often, it would be siblings that are left a property from their parents' estate and one of them wants to buy the other one out, or two people own a house together, like going through divorce. And so you've got husband and wife on the loan and now just one of them will be on the new loan. Again, satisfy, replace, extinguish the old loan, dwelling secured, both old and new, one person in common. That leads to a HMDA reportable transaction known as a refinance. If you don't have that, maybe you've got something where you're not satisfying replacing, you're adding a change in terms or an extension or something like that. That's known as a loan modification, and those are not reportable for HMDA. So I hope this helps your understanding of this often confusing term. Thanks for watching.